OpenEdge provides an adapter for the Sonic Enterprise Service Bus. The adapter allows ABL procedures to be added to an ESB process, making it easy to integrate into the existing business process. ABL procedures are accessed through Sonic ESB either directly when using the native invocation or as a web service when using the web service invocation. This video shows you how to test an ESB process using the native invocation. The native invocation methodology requires an invocation.esboe file. This file is based on annotations within your ABL source. The benefits of using the native invocation are having a simplified exposure of ABL code as a service, having a simplified process of mapping ABL parameters to Sonic messages, and having reduced overhead through improving runtime performance over the web service invocation methodology by eliminating conversions to and from SOAP messages. In this video, you learn to create an ABL source file to build R code and native invocation files, use the Sonic Workbench to create an ESB process to use the invocation file, and test that process. To work with an ABL project in Progress Developer Studio for OpenEdge, create a project and connect it to a Pass for OpenEdge instance. Connect and start a database. For this video, the project and configurations are already created. Now, create a procedure file with this code. After you create the project and the procedure file, save the procedure file as getCustName.p. Sonic ESB requires additional annotations to run your code. To annotate the source file, select Progress OpenEdge and choose Define Service Interface. In the Define Service Interface window, select ESB from the Definition Mode drop-down and select the procedure file from the Workspace Resources list. Click Next and then Finish. Then you generate the .esboe file by selecting Progress OpenEdge and choosing Generate Sonic ESB Invocation Files. Now you start working with Sonic Workbench. But before you can do that, you have to do a few things. Start Sonic Domain Manager, run offline.bat to create the containers, and open the Sonic Management Console. After the Domain Manager is up and running, open Sonic Workbench and create an ESB project to test the invocation file. Now, create an ESB process. Give your ESB process a name and provide it a file name. For this demonstration, let's use getCustName. Click Finish. After you create the project, Sonic Workbench displays the new project with the ESB process file. Import the native invocation file to the ESB project. In the Import dialog, double-click the File System directory from the General directory. Browse to the directory where the invocation file is located and select. Then specify the import directory in the Into Folder field and click Finish. The native invocation file is added to your ESB project. Add the file to the ESB process by dragging and dropping it onto the process to make it a service within the process. To examine the process details, right-click the name of the service and select Open. Click the Scenarios tab to launch the Scenarios window. Click the plus sign to add the scenario, and in the Scenario Details section, change the File Literal column to Literal and provide a test value. Let's use 1 for the test value. Save the process. When you're prompted to upload the process, click Yes. After the ESB process is created and the scenario is configured, update the Paths for OpenEdge details in the Sonic Management Console. In the Configure tab, open the Services directory. Select OpenEdge Native Services. Select the native service in the Service Name section. In the Init Parameters section, update the Paths for OpenEdge details. Then click Apply. After all the configurations are done, you can test the ESB process. In Sonic Workbench, switch to the Container tab and select the container, and then right-click the container and select Launch. Open the OpenEdge.properties file from the Instances working directory. In the Properties file, update the Agent Startup Param details. Place a copy of the procedure file in the Instances working directory. Start the pass for OpenEdge server. Return to Workbench and run the scenario by clicking the Run button in the Scenario Details section. The results of running the scenario appear in the output window. In this scenario, the value 1 was sent to the ABL procedure getCustName, and it returned the customer's name, which means the ABL procedure was successfully executed by the Sonic ESB process. This concludes our look at Test an ESB process using the Native Invocation methodology. To learn more about OpenEdge Adapter for Sonic ESB, visit the OpenEdge Information Hub.